In this video, we are going to see how we can use the filter option in pivot table. And not only that, we will use a smart option in pivot table analysis option. And in options, we have show report filter pages. That's a very effective tool. Right now it's hidden, but let me show you how we can do that. First of all, let's move back to our original database, which is this one. Let me just change this to database. Let's insert a new pivot table, ordinate NVT, enter. Now let's make an analysis. I want the beverage wise sale in each region. So let's put the region in the rows, beverage in the columns, and we want the sales total like this. And let's say we design it in a particular way, something like this. So this is finalized, but let's say that I want to see this particular report for the region wise beverage sales, but for a particular salesperson, let's say for one single salesperson. So what we'll do is we need to apply the filters to it. We don't want to include the salesperson within the data like this. We want the same analysis to be made just by applying a filter for a particular salesperson. So what we will do is we will hold the salesperson and drop it in the filters field. Here we have this shown for all salesperson, but let's say that we only want this for Ali. You will choose Ali, click OK, and all of the sales is adjusted for Ali. So Ali has made this sale of 7-Up in Barrier Town and in all of these regions. Similarly, if we want to select multiple salesperson, we can do that as well just by enabling this option. Click OK, and we have multiple items to choose from. But that's one way of doing it. Let's say that you have a requirement that the salesperson report should be placed separately in each sheet with the salesperson name. So let's say we do it like this. We apply the filter of Ali and we make it Ali report, and then we create a duplicate of it, and then we filter it again for Arshad. Now that can be done if we have less than 10 employees, but let's say that we have 50. So it will still take a lot of time in order to create that. So here comes the role of show report filter pages. What we'll do is we will just keep it to all and go to the pivot table analysis option, go to the options again and click on show report filter pages. What this will do is it will apply the filter by each salesperson and then create a separate report in each sheet, and it will also name each sheet with that salesperson. Let's see the magic of it. Show report filter pages by salesperson, click OK and see the magic at the bottom. Click OK and that's done. It processed a little bit. This report is now for Ali. This one is for Arshad. This one is for Hamid. This one is for Imtiaz, Naveed, Saad, Salman and Umair. So just imagine the power of this tool, that it can immediately analyze and categorize different salesperson report just by using this simple option. So that's how we can use the filter options in pivot table along with show report filter pages function. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.